One of the things we've been working on this winter is what we call a quick 90 landing post. And what that does, it gives you the ability to mount, if you have a stair system that's built like this to where your tread is actually the first tread is one tread down rather than coming out, is a quick 90. And what that is, you need to come up here and make a quick turn, and our old system didn't allow for that. So we built a new post that allows that, as you can see here, and it's basically got our stair angle and then at 90s, so you'll wind up with something looking like that to where you can do that quick 90 as we call it. We will help you if you shoot us some pictures or something if you have some questions on how that works. This is an exterior one that we done just to give you an example of how it would look. It would come up and turn into your deck. So that's one of the new features that we've done so we can accommodate something like this. In the past, we were just doing where your first tread was level with the deck, and a lot of stairs isn't built that way, so we came up with this other post.